G'day everyone. Today we are making pink colour. I'm using scarlet red and titanium white. These paints are Derivan paints. They're made in Australia. Pretty good paints. I'm going to start off with some white. Alright. Just a little bit of red. Alright. And we'll start off with small amounts of red mixing with the white. Just a small amount. Okay. Add more red. And even more red. I'll add some more red to this. And the last bit of red there, mix there. Get an idea, sort of, depending on how pink you want something. Don't forget, if you like my video, please subscribe. You'll see more colour mixing videos in the future. Now there you go. What do you think of that? We've got some light pinks here and then pink. I hope you like my video. I'll see you all later.